How to use Drizly gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now Drizly ceased all operations as of March 2024 after the its parent company Uber decided to shut it down the service to focus on its Uber Eats alcohol delivery business. So what you want to do is to use the gift card. You could open up your Uber app. If you don't have an Uber One app onto your device or Uber Eats onto your device, you just want to make sure to use the same credential as Drizly. Then you could go ahead and start adding item to your card. So basically, once you've added the item to your card, what you want to do is you could just go ahead and select the add to cart button, and you could then go ahead and view the card section. It's in the very home page, and proceed to checkout. So during the checkout procedure, you could go to view card and go to checkout. As you do this, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the gift card section. If your gift card was sent by Giftly, there are no strictly merchant gift card. You could still redeem it to a Giftly website, and you could also go ahead and enter in the card number manually and just get a discount on certain items. So this is how you're supposed to use Drizly gift card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.